Hi, my name is Zoe, and I'm one of the founders of Crypto Girls Club.
Hi, my name is Thais, and I'm leading projects and events for Lisk.
Crypto Girls Club is a community of Web3 women who build, learn and grow together. We've grown massively over the last 2 years, and we're proud to say we're one of the largest women in Web3 communities and allies in Europe.
Last year we had a team meeting where we discussed the gender gap within the tech industry, and more even specifically in blockchain. And we decided to create an initiative to onboard more women to tech positions. And I've been following with Crypto Girls for some time, and I've been really enjoying what they're doing with their community and continuously investing in creating opportunities to gather like-minded people, and we're super excited for our partnership with them.
What excites me about this Lisk partnership is the potential synergies to be had. Lisk's mission is to make Web3 accessible to everyone, and that's exactly what Crypto Girls Club aims to do.
For this initiative, our partnership goes way beyond from the events itself. Our goal is to be more inclusive and accessible as possible. From Lisk, we are currently working on a grant program for female founders, leaders, developers to launch and build something with Lisk.
Another reason why I'm so excited for this partnership is that we're offering real value to our community members. For example, we're going to be offering grants for female founders in Web3, jobs, events, workshops, and the chance to attend conferences. That's why I'm super excited to announce that on March the 8th, Lisk will open its doors as part of International Women's Day. We'll be hosting wellness classes, interactive workshops, and much more. It's going to be a full day of events, workshops, and even boxing.
For now, like Zoe mentioned, our first event will be on the 8th of March, and we're super happy for that one, so see you there.